the way how our celebration today is named the Passion of John the Baptist, the word passion called my attention because John faced his passion, pagpapakasakit, because of his passion sa minamahal niyang ginagawang magpahayag o maging propeta. Until the end, we've heard how from our gospel today, John the Baptist never missed the chance to exhibit his passion, which is to preach and to be a prophet even to his people. Narinig po natin kung paanong gustong-gustong makinig ni Herodes kay Juan. But whenever he would hear John, he would feel perplexed, nababagabag siya, naguguluhan o disturb siya kapag naririnig niya ang taong ito. John may have really preached with and through heavy words. He may have been the greatest orator, but he definitely pinched the hearts and the attention of those who heard him to have honest to goodness preaching. And because of his passion to preach, he faced his passion. Para lang mamatay ang taong may minamahal na gawin, hinantong ito sa kamatayan na dapat niyang harapin. And with that, John was reduced to silence by being beheaded. My dear brothers and sisters, the experience of John the Baptist is very true for us. When we embrace our passion, anumang mga minamahal nating gawin, we are not far from our passion sa mga bagay na magpapakasakit din o magpapasakit ng ating puso. Dahil may minamahal tayong gawin, hindi tayo nalalayo sa anumang magpapakasakit sa atin. You may be passionate in your respective capacities. Your passion for studies, your passion for administration, your passion for coordination, for governance, whatsoever it is. We have a lot of passions, capacities, and capabilities, talents that we can do. But be assured, hindi naman sa pamamagitan ng pagpupugot ng ating ulo. We will face many passions. People disliking us. People who will be indifferent to us. People who will oppose us. People who will be insecure for us or to us. Baka po matanong ninyo kung ganun na lamang, kung ganun pala ang kahahantungan ng mga minamahal kong gawin, then better not to be passionate at all. But John proved it wrong. We may face our passion because of our passion, but God gave us the courage to be faithful to who we are and to be faithful to where God has called us. We may face our passion because of our passions or many passions in life. But let us not be Herods who will definitely kill and put an end to the passion of people. Let us embrace our passion. Be zealous with our passion as we look and also face the passion of our life, where God is most present by carrying us and lifting us up.